Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I'm going to show a small older Temu order that I found in my stack of orders, and I kind of want to show it to y'all. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, hope you enjoy the show. Oh, and as well, if you can like and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. So I went through been organizing my craft room a little bit, and I do have several Temu orders, and I found this order and I kind of didn't remember. So I kept looking at my history of my Temu orders, and I saw, ooh, this is an older one that I didn't get to show, so I'm really excited to show to y'all. So they are a little bit bigger, but I really love the images when I saw them again, and I remembered, oh yeah, I remember this painting. So, and they're kind of random. Some have cats, some do not. So, you'll see in a moment. And let me just put that aside real quick. And let's open it real quick. Oh, the canvas is real nice. I like that. And it comes with the diamonds and their standard kit. And just in case you're new to diamond painting, the standard kit is always the tray, the wax, and the pen. And all you do is pour the diamonds into the tray, get the pen, press in the wax, press into the diamonds, and then press them on the painting, and voila, you're officially a diamond painter. And do not worry, if you lose the tray or the tray cracks, your next painting is going to have a kit as well. They'll always find you. Oh, and this one's kind of fancy. It has a 3-placer, which I got to remove because I do use the 3s. I'm a big fan of them. And these are the diamonds. Ah, they're all in their kind of little packets. If you can see, these you would have to cut up and put them, unless you want to use the original packages, you can just kit them up and organize them. So when you're going to paint the painting, you can have all the colors in whatever order you wish. Myself, I use the way they're in order through the legend. Clear that up a bit. And yeah, I really love these colors. They're all dark and earthy tone. I'm a big fan of that. In the middle, you can see some of the lighter tones. Oh, I really like these diamonds. And not all paintings include these, but it does have kind of a little sheet with the photo of the painting, some information about it. And what it has is a listing of all the diamonds that are in each pack. Some paintings do have that, some do not. So when your paintings doesn't include it, don't worry, there's no issue. It's just depending on, what company's packaging, they put in these little papers. I really do like them though. They help you kind of keep count. Oh, there's how many diamonds are in each pack. You can kind of know how many diamonds you placed for the day. And this is the painting. It's a beautiful little walkway with some flowers on the side and wonder kind of little windows on top. When I first saw this image, I really, really love it. It's just real pretty, real subtle, and you're just walking through a walkway. I'm a big fan of that. I really love this one. And I believe it's catching on camera. Yeah, little red flowers, little windows, and a little walkway with the sunlight. I really like this one. And some information about the painting. It is DZD P65079-R-3040B. Oh goodness, that's a lot. And it is a 30 by 40 centimeter and is a round diamond type. Yeah, majority of my Temu paintings are round, unless I specifically look for a square one or I pick the painting and don't notice it's a square. Majority of mine are round. As you can see, it's a really nice image. Ooh, I really like this. I'm a big fan of the colors. And as well, I'll make sure to put a clear image in a moment. My apologies, I didn't show the legend. The legend on the side are all... Oh no, they're kind of random. There's some lowercase letters, some uppercase letters, and some numbers kind of all over the place. I've seen a painting kind of have that type of legend. I don't mind. I actually kind of like it. There's only 18 colors, so it's not too much of an issue whenever when I'm painting it. I don't have to get distracted on how many different kind of symbols there are. Ooh, I really do like this. And the legend's really clear and really large. You can see, and it has the DMC numbers. I'm a big fan of this. Ooh, I like this one. And now, just in case you can't see too clearly, I'm going to put a clear image here in the middle of the screen so you can see a little bit better. A nice little walkway with flowers is your style as well. Let me put this aside real quick. I have a table here, but oh goodness, I gotta clear it. It has a lot of diamond paintings. And this is the next one. This one I fell in love when I saw the image. And I kind of saw that it has a lot of pastel colors, so I was a little surprised about that, especially with all the flowers. I really do like this. Gonna move that aside real quick. And just unfurl it. Oops, sorry, I was going to do it upside down. Ooh, this canvas is a little stiffer. I can feel it. And when I'm rolling it, I can feel it as well. And there is... I don't know what that is. It looked like a little piece of diamond, but it's not diamond shaped. Oh, these are loose. Well, that's okay. I'll put it back in its original bag. And what I mean loose is, as you saw with the previous diamonds, they were all put in a bag. So, you know, have them loose this way, and in case there's ever two separate strips, it's really useful to put it in one of the plastic bags so you don't lose a strip of diamonds when you start painting, and that's a whole issue you have to correct. So you can see all the earthy tones and everything at the bottom. I'm a big fan of that. Oh, the random little coral color. I really like these. They're really nice. I like that light peach color as well. Ooh, I like this. Real pretty. And your standard kit. And this is the painting. It's a little kitty cat in a field of flowers. When I first saw this one, I just fell in love with the way it looked. The little kitty cat is just happy in the little field of flowers. I'm a big fan of that. Ooh, I really like this one. There's a lot of pastel colors in the middle too. And I really like that as well. And give me one moment. I'm getting a warning on my phone, so I'll be right back. Give me a moment. Alright, sorry about that. It kind of gave me a warning about space, but I corrected it. That's usually the issue I have. As you can see, this wonderful painting is just a little kitty cat in flowers. I really like this one. I'm a big fan of him. And for some information about the painting, it is TM-DW5702 and is a 30 by 40 and it has 28 colors. Oh goodness, I can see that because there is a lot of confetti on the flowers. So I could see why it's that many colors. And the legend is the numbers 1 through 7? No, apologies, 8. They're in numerical order. Sorry, meaning 1 is 1, 2 is 2. And for 8 to... till 28, they're kind of random letters, either lowercase letters, uppercase letters, or some symbols. I forgot to say that. And yeah, it's really sporadic, but I really do love this painting. And this painting does have some kind of assistance circles, as you can probably see. Let me see if I can get that. They're just little circles lining all the symbols, and they're really good, especially if you're new at diamond painting. They kind of help you out on keeping the diamond lined up when you place it. I don't have an issue with them, and it kind of keeps me on my toes knowing, ooh, I need to put it straight for the painting, so I have no problems with it. But I am a big fan of the image. Oh, the kitty cat is so cute. And just in case, I will put a clear image here in the middle of the screen so you can see this painting a lot clearer. Kitty cat and flowers is your style as well. So let me put it aside real quick. Sorry about that. And for my next painting. My last painting is a little bit more, I don't want to say complicated, a little bit different. It is a double adhesive painting, and you'll see in a moment. I'll put this aside because I don't want to lose that. And as you can see, the painting has this white kind of waxy, to me it feels waxy kind of covering on it, and it's to cover the glue. So the two other paintings I showed is poured glue, meaning that the glue is already just on the drill field. But for double adhesive, it's kind of like double-sided tape. So if I were to pull off the white without being careful, I'll pull off the glue as well because it's all connected. But since I've kind of done that before, you actually kind of have to peel it really slowly so you make sure to not take the glue with you. And give me one moment, I have to clear my throat really quick. Alright, sorry about that. I had to cough and everything. My allergies have been kicking in kind of bad. So the painting, that's why it has this little covering. So let me unravel it. Ooh, the painting's like a nylon material, as you can tell. You can even hear it, and it's all shiny too. And this is the kit. As I said, they always find you. But this one's a little fancier. It comes with a little kind of resealable bag, so in case you have extra diamonds, you can put them away. And these are the diamonds. Oh, now that's interesting. So, as you can probably see, some colors are in little packets. As you can see, I have no problems with them. You can cut them and organize them the way you need to. But some colors are in resealable bags, as you can see. I guess they ran out of the plastic for the little packets, and that's why they put them in this bag. I have never seen that before. That is real neat though. It's kind of smart. This painting is a square. As you can see, let me get that a little closer to y'all. It's a square. I usually don't get a lot of TEMU paintings with squares, but I really love this image. So I had no problems when I saw it was a square. I think I might kit this one up next. I don't do a lot of squares, and I kind of want to get more practice in it. And I love the image for this. The little image is a kitty cat in clouds, a little black cat in clouds with a starry sky. I really love the cat, so that's why I really wanted it. And I'm showing it here because until I could take off that white paper with the glue, you can't really see the image. So luckily they put the little sheet with this little image, and it has all the information of all the diamonds. The neato thing about this paper, which I'm a big fan of, it lets you the number of packs, as a little small pack, and how many they are. So for color 154, there's only one pack. So when I kit it up, I'll be able to locate, oh, it's just one, pour it into whatever storage unit I use, and I don't have to worry about looking around trying to find another one. I've done that before until I remembered, oh yeah, the pack tells you. Also tells you the number of diamonds are in each pack, if you're keeping count of how many diamonds you're placing. Oh, I really love these colors. As you can see, they're a nice pastel. I think I might kit this one up next. Because, as I said, I haven't done a lot of TEMU squares. I was doing one, but it got kind of complicated, so I might hold off on finishing it. But I really do love this one. And the little kitty cat is so cute. It's cutting through the sky and space. I'm a big fan of that. And some information about the painting. Let me just finish unfurling it. Oops, sorry. The glue is kind of, I'm sorry, the white sheet is kind of what's giving it some resistance while I'm trying to unfurl it. And apologies, picking up my hair. And get that down real quick. And it is item X158071 and is a 30 by 40. And it has, oh, sorry, the legend doesn't have it numbered. Oh, how many colors is it? Actually, sorry. Let me open the packet so I can get the paper out and I can give you the exact number. And you can see what the little paper looks like. You've never seen one before. Ooh, sorry about that. A little green hidden there. Oh, I love those little packets. That, I believe that might be 310. I can see why it's in that large plastic bag. So there are 27 colors. Oh, this is so interesting. It gives you instructions on how to set squares. Never seen this before. I've seen it for rounds, but never for squares. And it kind of tells you pretty much tips on how to set for squares, about grids, and all of that. As you can see, it's explaining on how to do placement and how you can organize it. I really like that. Never seen that, as I said before. And little kitty cat again. Oh, so cute. I love this little image. And as I said, there are 27 colors. Yeah, I can kit this one up next. It's not that big. It is 30 by 40, which I really do love that size. And I love the kitty cat. So, just in case you're not too familiar with double adhesive, as you can see with paper, you see the little glue at the bottom. Oh, thank goodness, that picked up real well, nicely. The glue is staying here on the canvas, as you can see. I think you can see it with the shine. That shine is the glue. And luckily, I just had to pick up that little corner, and the glue stayed down, and the paper came up. I believe that's luck right there that it came with it. And as I said, the shine shows it. And all you would do is release this large white paper on top. And you can't put release paper on it. I've done it before with one of my other double adhesive paintings. And I had no problems with it. So I am really excited to start this painting. As you can see, there's so much color decal everywhere. There's a lot of color confetti, which I don't have a problem because I love the pastels. Ooh, I think I am going to work this one up next. It's so cute, and I love the colors. I said I love the cat. And I'll make sure to do a kit up because since these are kind of a different style of packets, so in case you're not too familiar with the style, you'll be able to see how these little packets work. And I'm just checking to confirm if there's any special drills. No, there isn't. They're just all regular, our wonderful colored diamonds. But yeah, that's all I wanted to show today. I don't usually show a lot of the double adhesive paintings because sometimes the glue doesn't work with me, or I haven't found a painting that I've liked. But this one, I kind of forgot that I purchased it, so I kind of want to work it up just so I can have a square on the side so I can keep getting practice because, as I've said before, majority of my paintings are rounds. So, and I'll make sure to, as I said, do a kit up video and a progress as well once I actually start this painting. Oh, kitty cat is so cute. And again, if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, all I ask is if you can do the usual. If you can like and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. Really helps my channel to be out there, and it provides me the opportunity to show everyone all these wonderful paintings we love to do. And again, thanks for your time, and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.